Hi, this is McKenna. My 3 posters represent Earth Day with a dystopian view. My leftmost poster demonstrates the closure principles by creating a non-outlined globe. The quote that I've chosen is, "Wildness is the preservation of the world," by Henry David Thoreau. The middle poster represents similarity, and I demonstrated this by using plastic water bottles that you would typically find, unfortunately, floating in the middle of the ocean, and I created the turtle to stand out amongst all of the trash. And the rightmost poster demonstrates continuation. All of the lines in the mountain are where that is perceived. And I played around with the formatting, the layout of the placement of the fonts since the last draft, and had fun with trying new fonts as well. And I think that each font works well with the poster that it goes along with. So these are my finished posters, and I look forward to seeing everyone else's. Thanks.